Hey folks, we're on location, Lakeshore Dental, newest office in Fort Mill. Our client came to us and needed a solutions for signage needs in this new office space. And so we sat down with them and we put together a plan, clearly defining what their needs are and putting in measurables on how to achieve that. And so everything from water feature signage, dimensional signage over on the wall, we go to even the banners at the roadside that give them some exposure that really gets as the drive-by traffic. And we talk about lettering even at the front doors as you pull in, the logo and then white vinyl there. Providing solutions for clients. These are the things that we do every day. Steele Creek Printing and Design, more than a printing company.